Hey, hello everybody. Hey, it is the 28th of August 2017, and today I got delivered to me a package from Random House, and it's the penguin department. So what I have here is going to be the second Rusty Rivets book that I illustrated. And as you can see right here, it says new titles from Penguin Random House, on sale date September 5th, 2017. So next month this title will be available. Let's see how it turned out. Here we go. All right. So get it to the camera here. Rusty Rivets Magnet Power. All right. Title page. Illustrated by Donald Cassidy. Turned out pretty good. All right. Well, look, I just wanted to show that to you, share it with you, and yeah, check it out on September the 5th. All right. Hey, thanks for joining me on this. I was pretty excited. These are cool books to work on, and I'm currently working on the third book, and the pencils are actually due on September the 5th. So, hey, I got to get back to work. Catch you all later.